Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this olive green look for you. I actually saw Makeup by Alina post a look like this on Instagram, so I was like, kind of want to recreate that because I haven't done an olive green look in a while. So here it is. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So as usual, my face is basically done. I'm going to move on to the eyes. If you want to see updated routines of how I do my face for different looks, you can check out my Instagram at Chelseasmakeup because I post mini tutorials of how I do it there. But anyway, for today's eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with Morphe Brushes 39A Dare to Create palette. I don't really know the names, but I'm going to set my eyelid using this first lightest brown shade. And I'll be applying this with my Morphe M504 brush. If you don't like to set your lid, go ahead and skip this. I know that's a new thing. Next, going in with a thin blending brush. This is my Morphe S12. I'm going to be picking up some of this dark olive green. And I'm just going to blend that right into my crease. Really just pack it there. Don't blend too far up. Also packing it into your outer V. So just outer V and crease. Then I'm going to take a brush that's a little bit fluffier. This is my Morphe by Jaclyn JH37 crease brush. And just blend that out with this lighter olive green. Taking that first brush you used to set your eyelid, just gonna blend out that line that I just created there. And just go in with these two colors as many times as necessary. Then I'm gonna be taking a tiny little pencil brush, and this is Morphe by Jaclyn JH39 brush. And I'm just gonna pack into my outer V this black shade. I like to always make sure I tap that off so I don't get any fallout on my face. And just really pack that in. It's easier with a smaller brush because it won't get everywhere. It's fast. Make sure to blend that out with that army green, the dark one. Then going on my lid using this greeny bronze color. And I'm actually just going to pick up some of that on my finger. I'm going to take a small little smudger brush, and this is my Sigma E21 smudge brush. And not picking up any color, I'm just going to smudge out the edge of this metallic shade. Just so it blends nicely upward. And then going over this color using this Pigment by N.Y.M.P.H, and it's called Oh My God, It's Gold. It's more of like a gray bronze, but oh my god, it's gold. And I'm just gonna grab a bigger smudge brush to pack this on my lid, and I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills A13. Getting a little bit here. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream Color in Jet. Just black. And I'm going to be applying this using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 brush. Now going in with that small pencil brush that we used for the black, we're just going to smudge a little bit under our eye. Now I'm going to pick up that dark green brush, the dark olive, and just blend out that black with it. Kind of just go directly on top of the black. Then I'm gonna take that first fluffy brush, really blend that out, make sure it's all evenly blended. And now for lashes, I'm gonna be going in with Lilly lashes in Mink. Let me just show you what they look like. So now for mascara, as always, I'm gonna be going in with my Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. I think my audio is going to keep going from bad quality to good quality because my mic keeps shutting off because my computer doesn't have enough storage right now. But anyway, now I'm just going to go in with some blush, and I'm going to be using Morphe's 8W Warm Master Blush Palette. And I'm going to be going in with Unapologetic. Grabbing some of this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. And then underneath my foundation, I use a little bit of Huda Beauty's N.Y.M.P.H All Over Body Glow, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit more just to brighten it up a little bit. I just like to pump some on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna dip in my Too Faced highlighter brush and just kinda pop it on, you know? Well, let me show you. A little bit on the back. So I do a little dip, brush it out so it's not too heavy. And then we're just gonna I'm also just going to take a little bit of that, dot that on my nose, and up the bridge. I'm also just going to use my finger and dot this on my inner corner and brow bone. And lastly, all I need to do is some lips. I'm going to go in with MAC's lip liner in Chestnut. I already have lip balm on. Just blending that out and then filling that in using Natasha Denona's matte liquid lipstick in Melted. And then I'm just going to go in with the Naturel in the middle of my lips just to kind of make a little ombre look. Not too much, just literally right there. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to click that little bell icon below this video if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. Hopefully you guys like this look and want to recreate it. I love you so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.